Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Tina Barber. What's up? What's happening? And welcome to the Unicorn Squad. Girl. It's been taking a minute for us to get back into our feelings, for us to get back into our habit of things. But with God's grace, all things is possible. Y'all can tell from the title of this video that this is about to be good. And if it's not about to be good for you, you know it's about to be good for me. First of all, we in 2024. And if there's one thing I was missing, what was I missing? The rest of my 2024 planner by Denise. If y'all new and this your first time seeing a video from me, first of all, hey girl. Second of all, go ahead and click the subscribe button, because if you watching this video, you into planner, stickers, washi tape, pens, paper, stationery, all the things just like me. And if that don't tell you all you need to know, I don't know what to tell you. So other than that, let's get into it. So y'all know I didn't have my 2024 planner just yet. I've been in my planner from last year, which was 2023. It rolls over until March. Houston, we've got mail. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Y'all, my energy levels been low. My mood been, it could be Starbucks deficiency, but we don't know what it is. But we gonna say that's what it is because the sun been shining. Okay, the sun been shining, and I can tell the sun been shining in my spirit. I just got to get me some patio furniture. Okay, well, that ain't, I don't know why I said it like that. But I gotta get me some patio furniture so I can get in my vitamin D. So I can just sit in the sun. I've learned that's not something that I always knew, girl. But I'm definitely one of them girls that need vitamin D. Also, what I realized is, girl, I done lost talking to y'all, and I don't like D. Like, I'm not used to talking to y'all no more on the camera. When I'm recording, if y'all can tell from if you listen to any of the new podcasts, I don't think I have one new podcast episode, but also videos like just me recording like this right here without it being live. It's almost as if like I don't know how to talk to y'all no more, but we gonna get it together, girl. So y'all, I'm so excited to open this package. I love Denise so much for this right here. I be wanting to pay her because I can't even buy this nowhere. This planner layout is nowhere, anywhere. You can't get the paper. You can't get, this is just a one of a kind. So a lot of people always ask me, where you get your planner from? I like that planner. And girl, it's a happy planner, but it's definitely personalized. Now, I don't know if I do know it's a happy planner. Like, me and Denise, like we definitely happy planner gross. But I also don't know if Denise still in her happy planner, because she ain't been posting on social media lately. So I don't know where she in, but y'all, I don't know where she in, but y'all, I'm so excited to open this. Oh, y'all, look right there. It's a note from Denise. Y'all, I'm finna read the note. What planner is this? Y'all, it got pink this. It's pink this. It's pink this, y'all. Oh my God. But we can't see the planner right now. It's just pink this, and we see the note. I'm gonna read the note first and try not to peek at the planner. Tina, thank you for being patient with me while I created this beauty of a planner for you, with a heart at the end. I used paper this time. That was as close to EC that I could find. What? Let me know what you think. Oh my God. What? I used paper this time that was as close to EC that I could find. Let me know what you think. The entire thing is also 100% homemade from cover to cover. So there may also be a slight imperfection here and there. I'm already trying to improve for next year's. I know the Lord has so many wonderful things ahead for you this year, and I can't wait for you to receive all of his many blessings. Love, Denise. I have to take everything I just said back. It's not a happy planner. This is a Denise. Oh my God. Y'all, let's look at the cover together. We finna reveal this cover together because I'm shook right now. What? What? Oh my joy. Girl, I said, oh my joy. I can't even. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. It's prettier to me. Wow. Create joy. Artisan of your own happiness. Happiness is homemade. Craft yours daily. Y'all, look at this planner. Girl, why I thought I was going to show y'all a planner, like we were going to flip through it because we knew it was going to be a happy planner. And then, like, tomorrow's video, I was going to show y'all, like, details so y'all can see it up close and personal. Y'all, look at this planner. Y'all, this is gorgeous. Look at the bag. Oh, Denise, put this on the market. I ain't even looked at this. Denise, put this on the market right now. It's $199,000. Girl. Oh, my Lord. Oh, look at the pink. Oh, my God. Y'all cannot believe this. Red kind is like confetti. It do feel like air contract. Oh my God. This is crazy. It looked like air contract and everything. Y'all look at this. This January cover say I'm gonna do a detailed flip just because I got to get ready to go right now, and I wasn't intending. Oh, I didn't know what I wasn't expecting this to be this beautiful. Y'all gonna have to see. Girl, ain't nobody gonna be like, where that happy planet from no more, baby. This is a personalized planet to me, y'all. All the tabs are 50 shades of pink. Come on, look at that. January tab says, be kind. Spread kindness like confetti. A kind heart is the most beautiful thing. Just remake this for 2025. Denise, I'm telling you right now, just remake this entire plan right here for me for 2025. Same things, same exact things. And then when you open this tab up that we just looked at from that end, it have pink background, white hearts, and right here it says this month at a glance, and it has the little Barbie. It has my head, baby. I don't know what to tell you. It has the little head with the ponytail, and it is lined for you to put in all your this month at a glance things. Paper feels just like air country. Here's January 2024. She worked so hard on this, and I can tell. Look at those lines. This is how you line a freaking planner. This is the monthly line, and then here come the weeks. Here come the weeks. Look at the weeks. This paper. Very Erin Condren like. I can't wait to write on it. First of all, it's so much Erin Condren like that it has that hue that Erin Condren paper. You know how like some people say Erin Condren paper is not white. That hue, this definitely that. I want to look at February. This is crazy. This is crazy. We got the lips on February. We got the different shades of pink. Y'all look at these pink tabs. Don't ever not look at the pink tabs, ever. Here go February. Pink with the white confetti hearts. This month at a glance. I cannot believe this is my planner. That's great. Go to weeks. Let's see March. Y'all. over. Y'all, triumph awaits. Obstacles are opportunities in disguise. You know what? She don't even have to make me no more. I just looked at it. The dashboards I always have. She just have to make the insides because the dashboard's not attached to the monthly. This month at a glance. That's why she made it like this. Girl, just see my insights. And then March 2024. Y'all, this is crazy good. Y'all, we gonna do a detail flip. I'm gonna do a detail and an up close flip so that y'all can see it with the camera facing down. This is beautiful. Oh, y'all look at April, girl. I cannot speak up, stand out. Your voice matters. Let it be heard. Then, oh my, y'all. Denise showed out with this one. And then at the end of your month, this is what the notes page look like. So it is lined and it then has little florals down there. Let's see what March. Yeah. So there's no March is there. So that's the last page. God, this is crazy. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. May find passion. Fuel your fire, live inspired. Let your passions lead your journey. This planner, girl, this should be the outside. How do I make this the outside cover? It's gonna be upside down, ain't it? Look at this. And oh, it was that on the inside. It was that on this. Oh, I did turn it into a Barbie cover though. See, this could be the back and that could be the front. But she definitely staying up front though. She's definitely staying on the cover of my planner. Denise and y'all. Denise made this planner. I'm gonna read my letter from Denise again. I want to read the letter again because I mean it just means so much to me, y'all. It means so much to me. I don't know how to explain it when somebody do something for me. It's just so like a friend is like an understatement or something. It's her time, her energy, her money, and her girl, Denise, this gotta be your business. There's no way this is not your business. There's no way this planner should not have been sold for 2024. Y'all, so I say, look at her. Look at her handwriting. What just gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Tina, thank you for being patient with me while I created this beauty of a planner for you. I used paper this time that was as close to easy as I could find. Let me know what you think. The entire thing is also 100% handmade from cover to cover. So there may also be a slight imperfection here and there. Girl, there are no imperfections. Okay? There are no imperfections. I can say that right now. Baby, those are hand details. Those are created with love is what that is. I'm already trying to improve for next year's. This is Denise. Is you using this? We got you. Do you got one? This is crazy. I know the Lord has so many wonderful things ahead for you this year, and I can't wait for you to receive all of His many blessings. Love, Denise. Thank you so much, Denise. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. This is mind blowing to me. This is definitely mind blowing. Come on. This is mind blowing. Look at those tabs. Girl, we're gonna eat all 2024, and that's on period. I'm trying to see, do I want to do the flip through? in his own video so it can get his glory, just so if somebody just want to see that, then they ain't got to go through me opening the package and all that. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because it can just be a flip through of my planner. If somebody, anybody, if I'm on Instagram and somebody want to see what my planner look like, they can come over here and see my 2024 planner. And y'all see why the wait was so long? Worth every bit of it. This is a blessing. This is a blessing. Blessed beyond measures. I cannot wait. I'm already. I mean, this is crazy. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank y'all so much for watching. I know y'all ready to see the flip through. Me too. I can't wait to see all the dashboards in here. And I'm definitely going to wait until the flip through to finish looking at the dashboards, because girl, this planner is gorgeous. This is me in a planner. I don't even know how else to explain that. Yeah. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a great rest of y'all day. And I hope y'all feel this feeling of blessing that I feel right now. I wish that for y'all. I hope that for y'all. And I pray that for y'all. All 2024. I want everybody to feel this feeling, because it is great. It is awesome. And to just know that God is looking over you and blessing you with health, wellness, and all the many things that your heart desires. Just desire it, and the Lord will give unto you. I'll see y'all in the next one, y'all, because I gotta get ready to go.